Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Like a colonial looking place. I'm gonna walk down this way. It's like this is finally open. Oh, hello, how are you? Gonna take a look. Oh, this is all new. Hello, how are you? Good. Oh, they finally open. I've been seeing it downstairs for a while, so yeah. Take a photo and oh, okay. And it goes up there too. Good picture? I'm gonna take a look. Wow. This is all set up now. Beautiful. Wow. Gonna go down. Wow. I finally got to see the inside of this building now. It's really pretty. I've been seeing this building for a long time from the outside. Now I can finally see how it's all set up. But yeah, from the outside it looks like this. Wow. Pretty cool. So yeah, I guess I can sit up there now. Definitely gonna come back here. Hello Macau. A lot of people will, this is really photogenic, so a lot of people will come up and take pictures of this street right here anyways. And now I just saw how it connects to the other side. But unfortunately, I have to be somewhere very soon. So I have to keep on moving. And we're gonna go down this way. And then, I don't know, you've probably seen other films that I've done. And I usually come through this place because it's a pretty cool little space. And usually I go through the alleys. But today I'm going to walk down this main road instead. Yeah. Let me just show you how the alleys work. So, I'm gonna walk down that way. But these alleys run parallel and they're pretty cool looking. So I'm just gonna go in parallel for a second. And it's kind of colorful and it's very photogenic, so a lot of people will come in and take pictures in this area. And I've definitely taken some film stuff in this area as well, including all these little alleys and these things. But today we're just gonna walk through it. Then we're gonna go back on the main road again. So, oh, that shirt says on the road. That shirt is on the road, Jack Kerouac, and there's an American West image. So, okay. We're gonna capture this street right here, and then you can see, and we're gonna go all the way down this street. This is the one that we just came from right here. It's very photogenic, so you can see the colors of the buildings: green, blue, pink, orange, yellow. Really photogenic. Comes the bus. Okay. kind of like reverence towards the ancestors. More cool stuff. If you like that, if you want to see what's in there, just go to some of my other videos. I think I always call it Taipa Village in all of them, so this one I'll probably call it something different. So okay. Okay. So this is we just walked into more of the Taipa area, and we're gonna walk towards we're gonna conclude in a minute actually. It's cool. So we're gonna conclude as soon as we get around the corner. Straight ahead is a Thai restaurant. Curry Monster, Japan. Okay, and right in front of us is a galaxy, so I'm gonna turn it off right here.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.